My name is Brian DiGaetano. I'm a lead cook supervisor for Bon Appetit at Emerson College. I made an Irish beef stew with onions, carrots, celery, turnip, parsnips, 4 cans of Guinness, some stewed beef, tomato paste with fresh thyme, salt, and pepper. So the recipe is basically from my grandmother. When I was a kid, is one of the ones that stuck out to me. Playing with my friends in the snow, especially during winter when it was cold, and you go home for lunch and you have like this really nice beef stew, and I tweaked it a little bit, but for the most part, it's all hers. I enjoy making it for St. Patrick's Day. I've been to Ireland before. It wasn't until I was older that I kind of embraced being Irish. I learned the history and everything that they've gone through and just their tradition. I have family that was from there a few generations ago, and I just embraced it, and now it's just a part of me. I would like the students to know that when I come to work every day, I always want to put them first. What they want is the most important, and I strive to give that to them. Chef Alex also instills that in us to put the students first no matter what. I think coming in here and people making recipes and us putting it all together and making it into a meal and for them to enjoy it, it brings me satisfaction.